To turn on or off unknown tracker alerts on a Google Pixel 10a, you have to open the settings for the first and now go into the Google account. Now move for all services and you have to scroll down almost all the way down until you find unknown tracker alerts. And over here, by clicking on this switcher, you are able to turn it on and off, and you can also manually scan for nearby trackers. So for example, take a look, I have the AirTag from the Apple, and now if I'm gonna perform this scan, then in the most cases we'll actually get some information about this one. It wasn't actually detected automatically. I'm using this phone for like a few moments, but it's a good point to check this, and let's see how it looks in the live video. So we are almost finished. As you can see, we got this. So it actually detects the AirTag near me. So when I'm gonna tap on it, it should actually start playing sound. Let's see if it works. No, it's not playing any sound, unfortunately. I'm not sure if it works, but yeah. Now as you can see, try to connect, so we can find a few options. And as you can see, it's showing me that it's here and it's really next to me. So that's how we can do this. I hope you find that video useful.